fix something up. Oh yeah, baby. How come every time I do one of these, one of my legs fucked up? Why? You don't already know, I'm August. I'm a computer science student in France. I like unboxing stuff, and that's about it. It's a pretty sad life. Anyway, this is a... God damn it. Let me just get this hip thrusting thing, you know? Whatever. Anyway. Oh yeah, that's hot. So much freaking cardboard, bro. Although I am thankful that it's protected well enough. Look at this beauty. Dude, this is like surprisingly heavy. And is it this big? Holy shit, this is huge. What? God damn. Yo, what a thumbnail, huh? Let me just take a photo. Let me actually move this a bit.
A few moments later.
Damn, boy. Damn, boy, he's thick.
Oh, yeah. This is like a really nice box, man. I love Apple packaging. Just so I'm clear, this is not actually my device. I didn't buy this. I didn't buy it for me. I didn't even buy it, is what I'm trying to say. I'm just kind of like the messenger, if you will, or the receiver, or whatever the hell. But the owner did let me unbox it for YouTube. So this should be nice. This is the, I think, base model Mac Mini, except with the only upgrade being the storage from 256 to 512. By the way, 256 on a, like, I understand it's a Mac Mini, but it's still like 256 nowadays is such a small amount of storage, especially for like a computer from Apple where there's apps like Final Cut Pro and Logic Pro that can take up so much storage, you know. And I guess technically, you know, if you can afford buying Final Cut Pro, you can afford to upgrade this. So maybe I don't know what the hell I'm talking about at this point, but still, I don't know. I feel like it's a relatively creative device. So something with as much power as an M1 chip from Apple just feels like 256 is just too small an amount of storage. Too little storage? Something like that. Now this, oh my god, and it's cold. Nice. This is stuff. So, just gonna set this aside right here. So, what we got in the box? The box is just a box. Really good box though. Then we have the paperwork with the design app by Apple in California with the, holy shit, huge Apple sticker. I did not know that this is like like the Mac Mini doesn't come with like two stickers, just like most other devices that I've seen so far. Then there's the charging cable, or well, not charging cable, but just like power cord, I guess. But well, it's really little. I don't know how to explain it. Like, it's so compact. I just love it. You know, I really do. And this sort of matte black color is really pretty dope as well. I guess I kind of expected white, but I don't know, this kind of, I guess this will look pretty good. What did I do? Maybe that wasn't necessary. Anyway, that's the box. This is a device. Fuck yeah. Oh, dude, this is so hot with the matte black ring or circle or whatever the hell, and like mini stand sort of. It's like really, I don't know if you can see, but it's like very it's great. I'm just gonna take this off first. God, that's beautiful. I just love this whole, I guess, trend or whatever of Apple products having their inscription like in the thing like below. I mean, honestly, I didn't even know maybe they're always there. I just kind of got into Apple only like in past like year or so. And this is like the mini sort of stand, if you will, that's gonna sit on. still really close to the thing. Dude, this is like, man, I wish I had one of these motherfuckers. Even though my MacBook is technically, technically more powerful, but still, just, it seems kind of cool. I just realized I don't even have a freaking keyboard for it. Shit, that's not good, huh? How the fuck am I supposed to? Setting it up is gonna be kind of awkward. Oh my god, it's like completely silent. Okay, so let's inspect the back. So this is the fan, from what I can see. Actually, let me take this Apple Pencil and point with it. This is the fan that I can see, relatively freaking small. It's actually kind of amazing how small it is for a device like this powerful, you know. Then we have for the power cord, this is the Ethernet cable. We have the two Thunderbolt 4 USB Type-C ports. Then we have the HDMI. We have two USB A's and a headset port, I think you say. So yeah, this is pretty freaking impressive. I don't even know, like, I think that's it, because I don't know what else I'm supposed to do with it, because I don't have a keyboard to connect to it. Oh, you know what? Actually, it would be fun comparing the size of it to the iPad Pro and the MacBook 14. So this is the MacBook 14 from November of last year. What was I supposed to say? All right, the size. So it's kind of crazy actually that this iPad Pro and this Mac Mini have the same chip inside. Like, it's actually insane. I still can't believe this freaking Apple doesn't want to goddamn put some significant apps on this iPad, bro. Like Final Cut Pro and Logic Pro can work on this device super well. It could be so good, but they're not doing it. I don't know why. Maybe they're waiting to like design a sort of like a version of the Final Cut Pro app and Logic Pro app for the iPad. I hope that's it. It's crazy how slim it is compared to the Mac Mini, you know? And I'm not sure how the RAM situation works, because I don't know if this thing, like, for example, this thing has like the base 8 gigabytes. So I'm not sure how this, like, does the iPad also have the base 8 gigabytes? But this laptop right here, goddamn, what a beautiful thing, man. It's been like 1, 2, 3, holy shit, almost 5 months now. Wow. I honestly think that this thing could have been a lot smaller. I just think that they kept it sort of like for design. You know, they made it a bit bigger, because this is like such a good sort of size to ratio. I don't want to embarrass myself, if I'm being completely honest. You know, I don't know. You know, maybe see you another time.